How to change name on Ticket on Delta Airlines. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to change name on Ticket on Delta Airlines. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to log on to Delta website, or you log on to your account on Delta Airline. And once you're logged in, this interface will be displayed on your screen. At the top right left corner of your screen, you see the Delta icon. Then close to it, you see the book option, you see the check-in option, you see my trips option, you see the flight status, you see the travel info, you see the sky miles and the need help option. So at the top right corner of your screen, you see the sign up option, you see the login option, you see the notification option and the search option. So you can just go through the page to have an overview of what Delta Airlines is all about. Delta Airlines is basically about airlines travel. So if you want to travel using airlines, you can just use Delta Airlines. Now, to change names or ticket on Delta Airlines, all you need to do is to click on need help option, which is at the upper part of your screen just after the sky miles and before the sign up option. So once you click on it, a drop down will be displayed just like you have it here. A drop down will be displayed on your screen, and the first option on drop down says help center. You click on help center and you wait for the page to load. Once the page has loaded, here you can see it's boldly written here, help center. So you scroll down your page till you see the options that are available for help. So if you want to find travel requirements, or you want to redeem e-card, you want to redeem companion certificate, you can go ahead. Or if you want to change or cancel your flight or whatever, you can do that too. So what you need to do is to keep scrolling down the page till you see the best option that suits your question, how to change name on Ticket on Delta Airlines. If you can, just keep scrolling. If you can't find it, just keep scrolling the page. If you can't find it, you can also visit their website, which says delta.com/vacations. If you can't find help on the website, you can just click on this link and you'll be connected to a virtual agent who is going to attend to your question on how you can change name on Ticket on Delta Airlines. It's that simple. Make sure you remember, you log on to Delta website, you click on help center, you look for it thoroughly. If you can see the option to change name on Ticket on Delta Airlines, then you visit their website, which says delta.com/vacations. I hope you find this video helpful. So this is simply how to change name on Ticket on Delta Airlines. Thank you.